Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Y'all, I'm trying to make sure I'm getting everything.
Okay, wait.
Alright.
Hold on. Okay. You need to come in the middle. Yeah, and just sit down a little bit. Alright, y'all ready? Just, you know, get animated, wave your passports like that. Alright, y'all ready? About to catch another fight. Okay.
I said switching it up. Anything you want to say to the camera?
I really want to say, I'm just happy to be here.
Right.
I'm excited. And it's up, honestly. Like, it's nothing to really talk about.
About to catch another fight.
Okay. Alright.
Oh, sorry.
That's all. I just got walked through like public. Stop moving and everything.
We don't need your back on the way. Not you recording.
Ooh.
Hello.
Hi.
It is blazing. Oh my God.
The humidity is humidity. Hey.
Okay, so here's the Coral Estate Luxury Resort. So we actually did not stay at the resort. We were staying in the villas, but there was a mix-up with our taxi driver. She thought that we were staying at the resort, so this is where she dropped us off. So this is just like a little bit of a view of the resort. The resort is really nice, but we did stay in the villa. Even though we were staying at the villa, we did still have access to the resort's cafe and pools, although we didn't use it because it was far away from our villa. We did not rent a car. We used the taxi service, so it was a little bit difficult for us to get around. So that's why we didn't, you know, stop at the resort. But you do have access to that if you want to go.
Hey y'all, so it's Taylor, but everybody calls me Tay, and I am back with another vlog. Y'all already know, like, I'm really into the vacation vlogs, like, you know, like I'm a travel vlogger, you know. But anyway, we are out in Curaçao celebrating my friend Nate's 30th birthday. We got an Airbnb. I'm gonna give y'all an Airbnb tour a little bit later on, but I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know what's going on. Right now we just chilling in the Airbnb. We stopped at the supermarket, you know, put our stuff away, picked our rooms out and everything, and now we're about to get in the pool because it's hot as hell out here. So we gonna turn up all the way on this vlog, so make sure y'all just stay tuned and make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. You already know what's going on. When Tay drop a travel vlog, like, you already know it's gonna be lit. You already know it's gonna be a vibe. So let's go. Explain to them, birthday girl, what's the trip rules?
Y'all see what's going on. These is the trip rules. Y'all either drinking, and that's it. I was gonna say you thinking or you drinking, but it don't even matter because everything just means drink. First and foremost. Leave the stress and worries at home.
I know, that's right.
That's it. We not stressing. We not doing none of this.
All
shot o'clocks must be honored.
I don't know how I feel about that.
There's no other decision. You just honor them. Miss your work or school, shot. First to go to sleep, you so tired. If we on vacation, you tired, 3 shots off the wake up. Make sure you get into that.
Yeah.
If you yawn, like I did, somebody called me, I ain't gonna lie. 1 shot. Cause why you fake acting like you tired? That's a shot. You wanna take a nap, you need a little shut eye? 1 shot. And I miss my baby so much, but you know my best friend, he's an asshole, and so he said if I try to show you a picture of when I miss her and you get caught, that's 1 shot too. But don't try to do my baby girl, try to
Everybody get in front of the camera.
Starting on his 30th birthday.
We cheers to the camera.
Oh, we just.
We started off this 30th birthday Friday. We celebrated him. It is a more. And cheers to the happy birthday, girl.
Type shit.
If it's up, then it's stuck. Then it's up, then it's stuck.
I don't steal more than that. How retarded you but me? Anybody get up?
We are?
It's too hot to not be in the pool, honestly. Okay, y'all, so like I told y'all, we about to get in the pool. This is my pool outfit. Very cute, very cute, very cute, simple vibes, you know. It's so hot, y'all, like, it's ridiculous. But I'm feeling the looks though, like. I'm gonna leave the information to the Airbnb down in the description box below. So we're staying in the Airbnb. It has 4 rooms, and yeah, it's really nice, y'all. It is far away from everything, but the views and the aesthetics of it all is really cute. So I'm gonna leave the information down below, and if y'all have any questions, just let me know. I got my buzzing outside.
What the fuck going
You know
on?
the vibe.
I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-tone them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, been on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Every other night, another dollar get made. Every other night.
I don't know no remix cha-cha slide or electric slide. I only know the original. Oh! What he said? I tossed and turned at my bed.
Wait. You that ass?
Maybe on the last day, not the first day.
He's lying.
Hello! Teasers and Hangoa.
Nobody great.
Nobody great.
Nobody what? Nobody greater than you.
Hey y'all, so we at Mambo Beach. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little. Okay, we got Aaliyah in the car. Like, what happened? Yeah.
Outside.
We got Shamika in the car. Like, what happened?
Yeah, that's what happened with Curaçao.
Yeah. Ooh, I like the way you said that. Curaçao. Yeah, we about to go to the beach. You know, vibe. Happy hour vibe. You know. I know how we doing Tay's travel vlogs. Let's go, y'all.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. They wanna start fake beef. Just sell a little weed in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tame. They'd rather be wild. This is brandy. They wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name. Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. If us who I'll hate me. Bring my problems. Suck my all of that talking. I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. Back of the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. This is mad. This is trash. This is the grouch. See me win, they gotta hurt. Ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? Not from the couch. Back.
Do anything for club. Do anything for club.
The next day.
Hey y'all, so I just want to give you guys an update about what's going on today. It's
Saturday, June 16th. So we just chilling in the Airbnb today, honestly. So I'm just gonna throw in some clips of what we're doing, chilling by the pool, listening to music, just vibing. And I'm not really sure what we're gonna do tonight, but y'all already know I'm gonna update y'all as we go along. We do have plans to do excursions on Sunday and Monday, so if we do them, y'all already know I'm gonna bring y'all along. But just sit back and continue enjoying this video.
Yes, you know, for y'all.
They asked.
You see it, right? Ooh. Chill.
Yeah.
Everybody got their own bag.
Oh, and she.
I'm setting up Wait, this one messed up, Aaliyah.
It's okay.
Point me to the bag that got Chargy on it.
Oh my God, this is so cute.
And it's my bag. If y'all want to put it in it, so like if y'all want to leave notes, cards, whatever,
Absolutely.
you know, put that in here. But yes, I got everybody something.
God, this is so cute. I love it. I gotta get on that. Come on.
This is so cute.
Hey, like you can be linked in. Like, yes, daughter.
Should everybody got something very much.
Deron in an infamous headshot. Period.
Yeah, Tay.
Cute. Welcome, Lily. I love that. Ooh.
Best friend, you mad funny from my picture.
I'll cry, right? But yes, I just wanted to get y'all something. It's shot glasses too. I'm gonna probably have to get them to y'all like when we get back, because they got there the day I left. But yes, I'm crying. Yeah, I just wanted to give y'all something just to say thank you for celebrating my 30th birthday with me.
We love you.
I love y'all, and y'all really, I feel like y'all really helped redefine, or really define really what friendship is, and I'm just grateful for all of y'all. So yeah, I just wanted to show my appreciation in some way, and I feel like I got the best friends on the planet.
That's a period.
Right, like I'm really
got you.
I'm my best friend. Like,
Especially when you put those two words together.
You know, it's just like, I just feel like I really do, but thank y'all. Y'all really showed up for me in like some of the darkest times. Even making this trip happen means a lot, because I know everybody's going through stuff. So the fact that y'all here with me, I don't take that for granted. So I love y'all.
We love you.
We love you.
I know, like.
Close hand.
Oh, I got a satchel? You gave me a satchel? Yeah. This is for my weed, girl.
This is for my weed.
It's the hangover kid.
We got a Shein package.
It's definitely
Because the recipe tart.
definitely needed the grooming. First of all, boo boo, honey, child, and thank you very much, but I broke my bottle of Listerine with me.
With the sense inside, so you feel me? No brand, stripping on no brand.
Yeah, no, I mean,
Damn, Nate. Damn, Nate. Damn.
Y'all be classy. I just feel like.
Damn. You shit. Damn. You shit it. Toilet paper, 'cause damn.
And like, ooh. We outside.
I was definitely.
Chef KK on the ones and twos. Okay, so as you guys can see, the property that we stayed on was absolutely gorgeous. The views were immaculate, and it was just a straight vibe, okay? So as I was explaining to you guys earlier, there is a Coral Estate luxury resort, and then you have the Coral Estate rentals. We stayed in the Coral Estate rentals, and the specific Airbnb that we stayed in is called Dream Villa Luxury Sea View Villa Coral Estate. So on the main floor, you have a bathroom, the kitchen area, an island, and then you have 2 bedrooms. So on the left hand side is bedroom 1, and then of course it's this beautiful view of this infinity pool. And then on the right hand side, you have the master bedroom. I did not go inside because at this point, everybody was already, you know, like settled into their rooms, and I didn't want to, you know, invade anybody's personal space. But this is one of the bathrooms on the first floor. So it's just a single bathroom. And then as we go downstairs, there is 2 more bedrooms downstairs. And then on the right hand side, there is like a patio area that you can sit down and chill as well. And of course they had that big beautiful mirror. Like I was in that mirror every day. So this is room number 3. And then there's this cute little like corridor way. And then this was my room. So of course I'm gonna show you guys my room because it's just like, it's my room. So this is the bed. Me and my roomie Shamika share the bed. And then we have a terrace as well with this beautiful view of the ocean. And that was our house tour.
We're gonna set this with for ladies. Yeah, ready? Let's see how fast you can do that.
It's a lot of that shit is fine.
Chef Jerron on the fries.
Gotta make sure we eat.
I'm over here cooking up some grits.
They just left us starving.
For real.
Grits and fries. Grits and fries.
It's the bonnet for me.
Sit down now.
We're just chilling in the crib today. We're just vibing. We're gonna get in the pool, of course.
The next day.
Come on, baby. I eat them with the love bowl.
I eat them with the love bowl.
I eat
Koi
them with
to
the love
special. Special is the same thing. Special.
Yeah.
It koi. There's the thing from the lady.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh, the thing from the lady. Ooh.
It koi to special.
I know that's
Koi
right.
to special.
Ecuador special.
Hey, Guido
Special. Wow, that's like more than happy. Okay.
Mambo.
No, but Tay,
Huh?
black people when they don't know the song, they be like, hey.
If you don't know the song, just go, hey.
And when you saying that, you gotta be like, wow.
Wow. What?
Shy,
I was about to say that. I was shy. Oh.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by fault and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fly, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need go and shadow. I need go and shadow. I need go and shadow. I need go and shadow.
Right, you forgot.
This is beautiful.
Hold on.
Follow the leader, leader, leader. Follow the leader, cha cha cha. Follow the leader, leader, leader. Good morning. You don't want to sit at a table? And then we just get up just in case? Oh, it's not. Yeah, I need it. don't think I'm ready. I can't. Go together, huh? All together.
Hey, my girl. Hey.
Let me see something. Let me see something. Let me see something. Let me see something. Hey, 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 hey. Go.
The life with the sling. This very moment I bring. Credit for everything that I will retire with the ring. And I
got something to tell ya.
Hey y'all, so this was our driver in Curaçao. Very great service, on time, reasonable fees. Okay, so make sure y'all book him when y'all come to Curaçao. What's your taxi company name?
Taxi number is 149.
Mm-hmm.
This is my car.
And the seats up to how many people? How many people can fit in the car?
13.
Okay, up to 13 people. And let me put the 24/7 taxi. And I'll leave his information down in the description box below.